Right, so we're on to the next day of the current build. We've just lifted in a hell of a lot of timber and we're currently relocating the shed in the client's allotment area, which is not very far from where the build is. There's Joe up on the roof after just banging on the fout. In part one, we showed clearing the area and getting rid of the shed. So now what we've got to do, we've got to excavate what we've got there. So we're digging down probably a foot, maybe. Now we're taking out all the soil and concrete, shrubs and a few small trees. So we got rid of all of them and now we're just digging down until we get to our subfloor layer, which is going to be compacted with type 1 MOT stone and a blinding of sharp sand. So we probably spent a day digging out for the depth of our slab, and then unfortunately the following day it started chucking it down when it came to constructing the shutter in for our concrete slab. We didn't manage to film any of that just because it was raining and we wanted to get it done and out of the way. But basically all we did was we used some 8-inch timbers to create a shuttered area. We then put down our DPM membrane. We put in the steel reinforcement mesh, sitting on a few parts of broken slab, just to raise it off the floor slightly so that your steel isn't on the base, right on the bottom of the concrete. It's sort of floating in the center. And that's pretty much it for this video. Stay tuned for the next part where we start building the walls and getting the roof on. Hope you enjoy.